Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to create a simple C program and how to execute it. Before going to write a C program, we need to install some of the packages. First, I am going to install CLang. CLang is a front end for the programming languages like C, C++, OpenMP, and also for Python. And now I am going to type apt install CLang. Okay, now CLang gets installed, and next I'm going to install nano. So now typing apt install nano. Nano is a command line text editor that can be run for a command prompt via Telnet or SSH session. It's going to allow you to create a text file or to write any program. Okay, this gets installed. Okay, now it's time to write a simple C program on your Android Termux. So now I'm going to type nano new.c. New.c is a file name. So here comes a nano text editor, and now typing /include stdio.h int main opening and closing brackets inverted comma. In that I'm going to type hello world putting semicolon. Okay, now I'm going to press Ctrl O to save the file, pressing enter, and next Ctrl X to exit from the nano text editor. Coming back to my Termux, I'm going to compile this program by typing clang new.c. Okay, now program has been successfully compiled. Okay, next typing ./a.out. Here you can see the hello world. So this is how you create a simple C program on your Android Termux. So you can make use of Android Termux to write any program like C, C++, HTML or any text by installing these packets. So that's all in this video. Thank you.